Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the Injector ML release and your environment because mismatched versions cause failures fast. Once done, copy the target folder to folder backup yimmed and keep that safe. Now open a terminal with admin rights and run the runtime check command. This validates Node, JS, or Python versions. Make sure dependencies are installed. Use the package manager to fetch missing modules. After the install completes, run the Injector in dry run or test mode to observe initial behavior without altering files. You now modify the Injector configuration to match your project layout because correct patterns prevent accidental changes. Open config, JSON and set target path, include patterns and exclude patterns, then save. Next, tune memory limit and concurrency to reasonable defaults. Start with 512 MB and 4 threads, so the process stays stable. Once configured, enable verbose logging and keep dry run active so you can inspect each simulated injection. If logs reveal mismatches, refine patterns and rerun. You execute the Injector with the apply flag once dry runs look correct, while watching logs for errors and counts of modified files. After completion, immediately compare injected files against your backup and run unit tests, linting, and a quick smoke test to confirm functionality. If anything fails, stop, revert the folder from folder backup yimmed, and review verbose logs for the failing step. One troubleshooting tip: if injections hang, reduce concurrency to 1 and check file locks or antivirus interference before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.